Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the BGL 304 stainless steel toilet paper holder. It's a wall roll paper holders for or in hotel decor. That means it is gold. It's so nice and goldy as you can see. It's also available in black, matte black, of course. This is a high quality design and it's really easy to install. The toilet paper holder is made of stainless steel SUF 304, durable and not easy to rust. The end bar prevents paper roll from dropping off. All hardware required for installation is included and the hidden screw mounting system is really easy to install. Versatile. The toilet paper holder with shelf is handy for holding our cell phone or other things like an iPad mini, wet pipes, wipe containers, liquid soap, lotion, air freshener, hand towel, wallet, ashtray, watch, plants, keys, glasses, small books and hand cleaners, and so many more. We put a house plant on the top of the toilet paper underneath. And simple design. A toilet paper holder with the shelf is simple, perfect for the bedroom, for the bathroom, for the toilet, for the kitchen, etc. The clean and beautiful metallic color fits perfectly with any style of decoration or interior decoration too. And strong and solid installation. We have to sign the area where we go to install it. These are only 2 points we have to mark. Then, of course, use the water level indicator as shown in that video here. And then we are drilling 2 holes, or only 1 hole if there was another holder installed before, of course. Then you can recycle that drill hole too. We're drilling 2 holes or 1 hole. This allows the holder to be mounted to the wall permanently, which ensures a strong holding and stable use. And you can see it's really easy, but you have to look if you have to install it in your kitchen or in your bathroom. Take the right drill for it. Convenient to install. The toilet paper holder. We screw to the stick to the wall or drilling with screws to install the toilet paper towel holder. High quality materials for this toilet paper roll holder themselves. Premium grade SUS 304 stainless steel. 1.5 millimeter. This is a 1/16 inches thick sheet used for shelf. Well made with bright polished chrome finish. And multifunctional TP holder with shelf. The shelf is large enough to secure hold various items. And this is smart, I think. A small but substantial home improvement. The toilet paper holder with shelf. The finish is awesome gold. The dimensions are in the length 13.7 centimeters. Wide is 9.8 centimeters, high is 9.8 centimeters. The weight is only 402 grams. And the material is stainless steel 304. And you can make a wall-mounted installation method with it. Use a gimlet or a pen to locate or mark the screw position on the wall. Keep them in the horizontal level if it is necessary. We drill the holes in the position you have marked, as you can see in that video here. Then we tap the plastic bolt holder into the wall. And then we put the small round circle into the screws. Pay attention to its direction. Avoid upside down, of course. And then you can see it's fast, it's easy, and it looks really cool. It's a multifunctional TP holder with shelf. Maximum suits any big smartphones. Never afraid of dropping off or getting wet when waiting our calls in the toilet. The shelf is large enough to securely hold various items, like mobile phones or other small electronic products. Also for wet wipes, wipe containers, etc., etc., etc. You can use this awesome BGL 304 stainless steel toilet paper holder easily It's a wall roll paper holder for our toilet or kitchen or bathroom or where you like. In gold. It is also available in black, but gold is the new black, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.